Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today is the first full day that I have here in Berlin. I just finished my week of work, so now I'm just on vacation mode. And I figured I'd vlog a bit today and go see some stuff. So it's kind of crazy to think that I've been here for a week, but I haven't really done much around Berlin because I've been too busy working. But I'm all done, so I'm going to be checking out of this hotel and then I'm going to the hotel that I booked. So I'm just gonna finish packing everything here and then I'm gonna grab an Uber to my next hotel. So it's still a little bit too early to go into the hotel, so I just dropped off my luggage and now I'm going to explore a little bit. Place where I ate those dumplings, oh my god, it was so delicious. It was so cool because everything was vegan besides two things, so I can try a couple different dumplings. I feel like if I lived here, I definitely would just eat there all the time. So pretty. I feel like I've just been blown away by the architecture here.
That's nice. That's nice.
So I'm here now at Museum Island, which basically is an island that has a bunch of museums, and a lot of them you do have to pay a ticket to get into, but there's a lot that's free. And even if you don't want to buy a ticket, it's just a really cool place to check out. There's so much to see here and it's huge. Already I'm like blown away by just how different everything is. Different than what I'm used to. so much to see here. I feel like my eyes are just going crazy trying to look at everything right now. There's so many museums. There's a lot of really beautiful statues. So this is, I think, a must see if you're ever in Berlin. So I came across this really cool store that was selling fruits and juices, and then they had a lot of gelato or sorbet. So I stopped by and I got some vegan strawberry gelato sorbet. I don't know which one it is, but it's really good, and it was only €2. And then also I stopped by a souvenir shop because you know I have to get souvenirs. It's all wrapped up, but I got a cup where you can put espresso in, and then also I got a magnet because everywhere I go I always get a magnet in every city that I travel to. And I stopped by a bench in this nice big park to just eat my ice cream, gelato, sorbet, whatever you want to call it. Not sure if the camera can pick it up, if you guys can hear, but it's pretty loud here. Yeah, so I booked a hostel, a private room, but this place is a hostel, so they have like a lot of shared rooms and stuff. It was a little bit louder outside, but I don't really hear anyone anymore, so I think maybe they told them to go back inside. I know that there is a quiet time here in Germany, which is 10, and right now it's 9:45, so it's almost 10 o'clock. This place was much more affordable. I wanted to book a place that was close to the station where I'm gonna go take a train to Amsterdam. That way it's just more convenient. I'm so used to hotel prices in Korea and Southeast Asia, so I really just don't want to spend a lot of money on hotels, you know? And I'm barely here anyways. Like, I was out all day, so as long as I have an okay place to rest, that's all I really care about, and as long as it's pretty clean. Besides it being a little bit noisy, this place is not bad. It's pretty clean, and the room is fairly nice, and I have it to myself. So I stopped by a donut place because I wanted to try one of their donuts. It was like on my list of places to go and was close by the ramen restaurant. So I got it to go, so I think I will just eat that donut here and then maybe do a little bit of editing on my tablet and then go to sleep. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.